everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Ramadhani. You can call me Iki. I am a student of Management Study Program at Technocrat University. Okay, today we will discuss about working capital management. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. Okay, let's get started. Working capital management by Rizky Ramadhani. Next, introductions. Working capital management is the process of planning organizations and controlling the resources needed to meet the working capital needs of a company. Working capital itself is the difference between current assets and current liabilities. The aim of working capital management is to ensure that the company has sufficient liquidity to meet its short-term obligations and to optimize the use of current assets to support daily operations. Next, the importance of working capital management. The first is maintaining liquidity. Good working capital management ensures the company has sufficient cash to meet short-term obligations, such as business debts and operational costs. The second is increase operation efficiency. By managing the shipment and inventory effectively, companies can spend up assets turnover. And the last is increase profitability. By optimizing working capital management, company can increase their ability to generate profits. Next, capital components work. The first is current assets. The current assets have a cash owned by the company, and then account receivable, money owed to a company from customers who have purchased goods or service on credit. Inventory, goods and raw materials that a company has for sale or use in productions. Other current assets, this may include tradable securities and prepaid expenses. Next is current liabilities. Accounts payable, debts owed to suppliers or creditor related to purchase of goods and service on credit. The second is short-term debts, debt that mature within 1 year. The third is tax payable, a company's obligations to pay tax owed to the government, which usually must be paid in the near. And the last is other current liabilities. This can include accrued expenses and other obligations that must be paid off within 1 year. Next, this is analisis model kerja by PT Gotoh Indonesia. Ini adalah keterangan dari aset lancarnya. Ada beberapa elemen-elemen di sini. Ada kas, setara dan kas, investasi jangka pendek dan lain-lain. Next, ini ada analisis modal kerja dari PT Gotoh di bagian kewajiban lancar. Itu ada utang bank jangka pendek, utang usaha pihak ketiga, dan selanjutnya. Next, okay, this is the formula of modal kerja. Itu ada current asset dikurangin current liabilities. Nah, hasilnya dari total current asset itu ada 33.607.177.000 dan total current liabilities-nya itu ada 12.822.544.000 rupiah. Jadi, jika dimasukkan ke dalam rumus current asset dikurang current liability, itu totalnya adalah 20.784.633.000 rupiah. Okay, next, this is the interpretation. Company liquidity, the amount of working capital show PT Gotoh's capacity to meet its short-term obligations, meaning the company has enough current asset to cover current liabilities. They will be avoiding liquidity difficulties in the near future. Financial health. These large working capital numbers can be an indication of financial stability, but it's also important to look at the details of that working capital, such as the composition of cash, receivable, and inventory. If most of this working capital consists of cash or cash equivalents, then PT GoTo is a more stable position in meaning short-term commitment without having to rely on debts. Okay, next, the conclusion is working capital management is an important aspect in managing company resources, which aims to ensure liquidity, operational efficiency, and profitability. Working capital, which is the difference between current assets and current liabilities, plays a current role in supporting a company's growth and expansion. Results in working capital. This show that the company has sufficient working capital to meet short-term obligations and support these operations. Okay, thank you for the time. The last I say, bye-bye.